Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix system restore is disabled by your system administrator. System restore is disabled by your system administrator. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand System Restore. Delete Disable Config and disable SRD words. Close and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.